Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're diving into something super exciting. Jobs that pay really well, but most people don't even know they exist. If you're tired of the usual 9-to-5 grind or want to explore something different, this video is for you. Let's jump into the top 5 earning jobs that you probably haven't heard of. Ethical hacker. Yes, you heard that right. Ethical hackers get paid to hack into systems, but legally, their job is to identify security vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. The demand for ethical hackers is sky high as more companies want to secure their systems. Salaries can start from $80,000 a year and go up to 6 figures depending on your experience. To voiceover. Artists love talking well. You can get paid for it. Voiceover artists lend their voices to commercials, cartoons, audiobooks, and even video games. With the explosion of content creation, this job has become more lucrative than ever. And guess what? You can work from home with a simple recording setup. And 3. UX writer. You've probably heard of web designers and graphic designers, but what about UX writers? These folks craft the language for apps, websites, and software interfaces to ensure users have a smooth experience. As companies prioritize user experience, UX writers are earning big bucks, sometimes pulling in up to $120,000 a year for. Drone pilot. Flying drones isn't just a hobby anymore. It's a high-paying profession. Drone pilots are hired for everything from real estate photography to mapping land for agriculture or construction. The best part, it's a skill that's not too hard to learn. And once you're certified, you can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 per hour for your services. 5. Medical Science Liaison, MSL. This one's for those with a background in life sciences or pharmaceuticals. Medical science liaisons work as a bridge between healthcare companies and medical professionals. They provide insights about new products or treatments and earn hefty paychecks. Think $120,000 to $150,000 a year. So there you have it. 5 high-earning jobs you probably didn't know about. If any of these piqued your interest, do some more research and see if it's the right fit for you. And remember, there are always opportunities out there beyond the traditional jobs we hear about every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to earn online from your home. Catch you in the next video.